Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me device with the Android 14 on the board, and now I can show you top 3 best themes for Android 14. So, on the third place in my tab is Miagara launcher. So find it in the Play Store and click install. Click open. Click agree and continue. Then choose your favorite apps and click OK. Great! As you can see, here we have really minimalistic launcher. So here we have nothing that can inline us. So here we have only home screen and main menu. So if you want to find any application, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and swipe it to the desired letter. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, swipe it to P. If you want to find the YouTube music, swipe to Y. And it's very easy to use. So I really like this launcher if you need to be focused and you don't like to be frustrated. So just install this launcher and try to live with this launcher for 1 week and your life can be changed. Great. At the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Smart Launcher 6. Find it in the Play Store and install. Click open. Get started. I agree, confirm, continue. While you're in the app, hello. Suggested wallpaper or current, I want to use current for example. Of course, you need to pay for Prime, but we can use all features, maybe not all, but large part of the features for free. So the most important feature is of course the design. Here we have really beautiful design, really great interface with Smart Search. It works better than Google Search on your device, or MIUI Search if you have MIUI device, or Huawei Search, Petal Search if you have the Huawei devices. So of course it's better. And here we have the main menu where we have the apps grouping feature, and the applications are automatically grouping by these folders. So here we have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities and settings. And it's really great. But of course, if you want to add other folders, create folders, you need to pay for Prime. But here we have really great wallpapers gallery and it's completely for free. It's really great gallery. So wallpapers are reused here daily. So every day you have a new set of wallpapers and you can change your wallpapers every day to really beautiful. If you want to have a 3D perspective, you need to pay for Prime. But in the Android 14 we have a 3D perspective for free, so we can set it up and then change it to the perspective. Great. And on the first place in my tab is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it, Microsoft Launcher. So why I like Microsoft Launcher? Unfortunately, it's not too pretty, it's not too beautiful, and is one of the disadvantages to use this launcher. But you can't find the most functional launcher than Microsoft. Here we have the glance panel. In the glance we can set up all our widgets. So all our widgets we can set it up here. We can set up news. We can set it up to MSN News, to Google News or other news engine. In the main menu we have here alphabetical line to quickly find any applications. Here we have voice search and normal search. Here we have hide apps feature. It's really great. And of course, here in the launcher settings, we have really killer future gestures. For example, pinching. I want to open, I don't know, I can set up features, I can set up shortcuts, I can set up apps, of course. I want to set up, for example, apps. For example, I want to open files every time when I will pinch in. Files application was opened. It's really great, so just try it. You can set up these 10 gestures in the way you want, and you will like this launcher because it's really functional and it really helps to use device. It's really great launcher. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.